Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Minhajul Abed, a web analytics and conversion tracking specialist. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to track HubSpot from by Google Tag Manager and send it to the Facebook Events Manager as a lead event. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see here, I just open my browser GTM container and server GTM container as well as. And if I say HubSpot from basically is a third-party from, and we have to create a tag which is JavaScript code, that means custom listener code, so that we can easily track our HubSpot from and push a event into our data layer. Okay, here I have already created a tag which is custom HTML HubSpot from, and here I pasted our custom listener code. This is basically our JavaScript code, and just simply trigger all page. Okay, here I have created a browser site tag. This is basically our browser site, and I just created a custom event. You can use Facebook standard event which is lead event, but in my case I am using a custom event which is generate lead HubSpot, and simply just trigger our HubSpot from trigger. Okay, if I just open our server side tag, this is the same which is generate lead HubSpot. Okay, and just simply trigger HubSpot from success. Okay, this is our server side tag because we have to set up our HubSpot from tracking both browser and server. Okay, and if I just simply preview on time server side GTM and our browser side GTM, yeah, this is our server side GTM preview and this is our browser site GTM preview. Here, as you can see, our tag manager is perfectly connected. We just simply go to our HubSpot from tracking page. As you can see here, we already get a HubSpot from page. Okay, and this is our HubSpot from. Okay, this is basically a third party from. We just simply submit our form once time. As you can see, our HubSpot from, thanks for submitting, perfectly submitted. Okay. And if we go back our GTM preview mode, as you can see here, we will get a event which is HubSpot from success, and our two event, browser side and server side, both tag are fired successfully. This is our browser GTM preview. Okay, now let's check our server GTM preview. We get an event which is generate lead HubSpot, and our tag is successfully fired, which is conversion API tag. This is basically Facebook conversion API tag, and by this way we send it the event on our Facebook Events Manager. Our HubSpot from tracking, browser and server event are perfectly working. Right now we are in our Facebook Events Manager, and here as you can see, this is our lead event, and it's successfully come from both browser and server with deduplication. And if I just quickly check our event ID, which is 23.13, and the second one is 23.13, that means it's matched. That means it's perfectly working. This is come from server and this is come from browser. So that's it for today. This is our generate lead event which is HubSpot from tracking, and thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.